Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, ji, welcome back. So now I'm gonna tell you about derivative of natural logarithm. Natural logarithm उस logarithm को कहते हैं जिसको ln करके लिखा जाता है. Why is it called natural logarithm? Because the base of this log is e 2.71828 जो वैल्यू भी है, right? 2.71828 ये वाली. तो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड नेचुरल लॉग और 99% यही आपकी बुक में यूज़ होने वाला है. अनटिल और अनलेस दे विल बी गिविंग यू like in the previous part, if they will be asking you to find the derivative of the common logarithm, उसके अलावा otherwise this would be used in your book all over. Very simple, like the best derivative of this is simplest. क्या है derivative, कैसे find out करेंगे? It would be 1 divided by the function which is given to you, जो भी function given है वो, into derivative of this function. Clear? Okay, so now look at this. I have a function natural log of x square over here. I have to find the derivative. So that would be dy by dx equals to what? 1 divided by this function, which is x square, into further derivative of the function. So now what is the answer? 1 divided by x square as it is. What is the derivative of this? 2x, right? Okay, simplify it. So it would be 2 divided by x. This is your answer. Simple. That was an example. This is question number 1, fifth part, this one. So I'm going to explain it over here. The derivative of f of x would be f dash of x, and that would be equal to what? Natural log of this thing is given to you. So natural log का तो कितना आसान सा derivative होता है. What is it? 1 divided by the given function. और function क्या है हमारे पास? e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x. ओके डन. आगे क्या है? द फर्दर स्टेप इज़ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ यानी डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ द फंक्शन क्या है मेरे पास? ई रेस टू द पावर एक्स प्लस ई रेस टू द पावर माइनस एक्स. ओके, लेट मी गेट द आंसर ओवर हियर. सो इट वुड बी एफ डैश ऑफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस बाद में लेते हैं, पहले हम डिनोमिनेटर लिख लेते हैं विच वॉज एज इट इज़. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द न्यूमरेटर. I have told you people even earlier, the derivative of e raised to the power x would always be e raised to the power x. Clear? And the derivative of e raised to the power minus x would always be minus e raised to the power minus x. ठीक है, मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है मेरा ख्याल है. Why would it be minus x, e raised to the power minus x? Why would be the derivative of e raised to the power minus x as minus e raised to the power minus x? Why? Because the derivative of e raised to the power minus x तो ऐसा ही आ गया. Then further derivative of the exponent would be minus of the exponent, which is minus 1. So it would be minus e raised to the power minus x. Clear? So here you can see what would be my derivative. It would be e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x. कैसे वो मैंने यहाँ डिस्कस कर लिया. ओके, नाउ वन मोर थिंग बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर what am I getting? E raised to the power x minus divided by e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x. What is it? It is tan hyperbolic function of x. Chapter number 1 में हमने ये पढ़े थे, right? Okay, look at the further, the next part. Question number 2, seventh part है ये. very very important from examination point of view. ये objective में आ जाता है अक्सर ही. आप past papers देखेंगे आपको नज़र आएगा ये. So it would be dy by dx equals to, what is the derivative of natural log of this thing? It would be 1 divided by 9 minus x square. Okay, fine. And what? Further derivative of 9 minus x square, यानी जो आपका function है. Done. Okay, now let us write down over here the derivatives. 9 minus x square as it is आ जाएगा हमारे पास. Numerator में you can see 9 being the constant, so derivative of 9 with respect to x would be 0. Minus derivative of this x square with respect to x would be, by power rule, it would become 2x raised to the power 2 minus 1. Let us get the answer over here. So it would be minus 2x divided by the base, sorry, the denominator. This would be your answer. I hope there is no confusion. So what have we learned so far? यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा recall करवा दूँ. We have learned that the derivative of exponential function is e raised to the power f of x as it is into further derivative of f of x, which is f dash of x. ठीक हो गया. The second thing which we learned was about logarithmic functions. What is the derivative of a logarithmic function? It is 1 divided by the function into natural log of a, whatever the base may be, and numerator में it would be further derivative of the function. Clear? And the third thing which we just learnt over here is the derivative of natural log of f of x. मतलब किसी भी फंक्शन का नेचुरल लॉग अगर दिया हुआ हो उसका डेरिवेटिव कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? 1 डिवाइडेड बाय द फंक्शन इनटू further derivative of this function, which would be f dash of x. That's it. So now let us apply them. Very important question number 1 ka, this is 7th part. I'll be explaining it over here in detail. Okay, I have to find f dash of x. So it would be f dash of x equals to, look at the exponent. What is the, the whole power? What is the whole power here? Natural log of e raised to the power 2x, I'm so sorry, plus e raised to the power minus 2x whole raised to the power, this whole raised to the power 1 by 2. ऐसा ही है. So it would be natural log of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x whole raised to the power 1 by 2. So I'm going to find the derivative. जब भी whole power हो, we all know, तो power rule लगेगा, right? So it would be f dash of x, where I'll be applying derivative on both sides. So it would be f dash of x equals to the power natural log of जो भी चीज़ आपको given है वो, and power में से 1 minus. Done? Now what? Further derivative of this thing. What is it? Natural log of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Clear? Let us write it down over here. 1 divided by 2 radical ये बन जाएगा natural log of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Okay, into what would be derivative of this? It would be 1 divided by the function, which is e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, into further derivative of e raised to the power 2x, यानी जो भी आपका फंक्शन है, plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Clear? Now I have to find simply derivative of this, and that would be up here, and these two terms would be multiplied, and that would be your answer. Clear? मैं यहाँ पे जल्दी से आपको आंसर्स लिख देती हूँ. f dash of x would be 1 divided by 2 radical of natural log of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Then we had over here e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, and the derivative of derivatives of these two were, you know, this and this. They were 2 e raised to the power 2x minus, why minus? Because this is minus 2x. So इसका जो further derivative होगा that would be minus 2. So that's why I'm writing it directly. It would be minus into 2 raised to the power minus 2x 2 times. Done. Let us take out 2 common from the numerator. So we will get 2 e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x divided by this whole thing again. मतलब it would be 2 into radical of this natural log of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, and then this thing which is e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Done. 2 and 2 would be cancelled out, and the answer which I am going to get over here is e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x divided by radical of natural log of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x, ये तो अलग है, into e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Okay, now what is it? ये दोनों चीज़ें क्या बनाती हैं? Previously we just learned about, I made you revise, e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x divided by e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x होता है tan hyperbolic of x. Clear? What about these two? ये क्या बना रहे हैं? ये बना रहे हैं tan hyperbolic of 2x. Can you see? Divided by this thing. That would be your answer. अगर आप इसको इस तरह नहीं भी करके लिखते tan hyperbolic, this is fine. आप इसको ऐसे भी छोड़ सकते हैं. But you know, if the case is in MCQ, so you should know about it. Look at this question now. How would we do this? इसमें you can see f of x is given in this form. Natural log of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x whole raised to the power 1 by 2. इसमें और इसमें what is the difference? The difference between these two is it had natural log inside the radical, it has in natural log outside the radical. Now you people should remember the property of radicals, sorry, of logarithms from your 9th class, third property थी. Whenever you get exponent और पावर, you know, तो वो कहाँ आ जाती है पहले. रिमेंबर हम सीखते थे 2 raised to the power 3, तो वो क्या होता था 3, सॉरी लेट मी राइट इट हियर, इट वाज लाइक नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 2 raised to the power 3, तो हम उसको कैसे लिखते थे 3 नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ 2. रिमेंबर 3 पहले, पावर पहले. सिमिलरली इट वुड बिकम 1/2 इंटू नेचुरल लॉग ऑफ e raised to the power 2x प्लस e raised to the power minus 2x. नाउ द क्वेश्चन बिकम वेरी सिंपल. अब आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल राइट इट एज 1/2 एज इट इज़. ओके, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस थिंग, so it would be f dash of x. अब हम बनाएंगे f dash of x. What would that be? It would be 1 divided by the function which is e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x आ गया, into d by dx of e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. Clear? Let me write it over here, the answer. So it would be 1/2 as it is, the denominator as it is, minus e raised to the power minus 2x. Look at the numerator, derivative of this. What would that be? 2 e raised to the power 2x minus 2 e raised to the power minus 2x. Again we will be taking 2 common, so it would become 2 e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x whole divided by 2 e raised to the power 2x minus, sorry, this was plus if I am not wrong. Okay, it was plus in the question, so this would become minus and this would remain plus. Okay, plus, right? So 2 and 2 cancelled out. What is the answer which I am getting now? Yeah, can you see what is it? What does it say? It is e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x divided by e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x. किसका फॉर्मूला है ये? अभी we just discussed this. It was tan hyperbolic of 2x. So this would be the answer of this question. ठीक है, ये MCQs के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, शॉर्ट में भी आ सकता है. That's it. Let us go to the exercise now. वैसे तो we have discussed so many parts of the exercise. You can see this one is discussed, this one is being discussed, right? This one is being discussed, this one, the numerator is being discussed, this one is being discussed. So rest of the parts, this one is being discussed, rest of the parts would be there for your, even we have discussed this one. So rest of the parts would be there for your assignment, right? Okay, now we will be learning about question number 2, and firstly I have given the solution of 6th part over here in the video. I would not be of course discussing it because we have discussed the quotient rule in detail of exponential functions. So we will be starting with question number 2. slides मैं इसका दे दूँगी लेकिन बाकी डिटेल में भी हम नहीं जाएंगे, right? I have given some parts of, you know, question number 2 in the video, this one, and then very we have discussed this one by the way, and then very important parts 12, 13 and 14. किसी सूरत आपने ये मिस नहीं करने, एक्सट्रीमली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर लॉन्ग भी आ सकते हैं, नॉर्मली ये शॉर्ट में आ जाते हैं. 12, 13, 14, राइट? सो लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड. सी आई हैव गिवन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दिस पार्ट. व्हाट इज़ इट? क्वोशंट रूल लगेगा, राइट? लेट मी जूम इट इन फॉर यू. दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन विच यू कैन सी, दिस वन. इस पर क्वोशंट रूल लगाएंगे आप. सिंपली स्क्वायर ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर, यू कैन सी डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज़ इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ न्यूमिनेटर minus numerator as it is into derivative of the denominator, right? Let me explain the derivative to you people and then rest is up to you. Okay, what would be derivative of e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x? Derivative of e raised to the power ax would be a being constant outside. Okay, पहले तो हम इसकी डेरिवेटिव डिस्कस करते हैं. हमें पता है e raised to the power ax would be e raised to the power ax into further derivative of ax minus e raised to the power minus ax का मतलब है e raised to the power minus ax as it is into further derivative of minus ax. So let us get to know about the answer. It would be, you know, the answer of this would be a बाहर as it is being the constant. Derivative of x with respect to x would be 1. So it would be a into e raised to the power ax. Clear? Minus e raised to the power minus ax as it is, this one. What would be derivative of minus ax? It would be definitely minus a, क्योंकि x being the variable and minus a being the constant, so it would become minus a. X का derivative with respect to x would be 1. What is my answer now? Let me write it down over here. So it would be a e raised to the power ax, minus and minus would become plus e raised to the power minus ax और यहाँ पे a. So you will be taking a common. It would be e raised to the power ax plus e raised to the power minus ax. So very simple. यही इसी तरह से यहाँ पे ये देखें डेरिवेटिव लिया हुआ है, ठीक है. So this is simple. You can do it yourselves. All the steps are being clarified over here. Okay, now question number 2. I will be explaining, okay, first part, second part would be done by you people yourselves. Okay, look at this. Y equals to x square into natural log of x. See, logarithmic function into algebraic function. So first function into second function, product rule, right? कैसे लगता है product rule? हम कैसे apply करते हैं? We all know first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. वो तो लगेगा. But here you can see again natural log बाहर है and radical of x is like this. So it would be natural log of x raised to the power 1 by 2, and this power would become over here. This would come to this place and it would be this. Clear? अब इससे क्या होगा? आपका क्वेश्चन आसान हो जाएगा. मतलब look at this. Okay, they have explained it over here. It would become, you can see over here, यहाँ से x square as it is into 1 by 2, which is the power, this thing. Now 1 by 2, you can bring this 1 by 2 outside. Now the functions are x square into natural log of x. Clear? This x square is your first function, natural log of x is your second function. Now apply the rule, product rule, right? What would that be? First function as it is into d by dx of natural log of x plus natural log of x as it is into d by dx of this x square. Look at this. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. ये product rule apply हुआ. Here are the answers. You can see this one. How? X square as it is, derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x plus natural log of x as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. Now simplify it. यहाँ भी छोड़ सकते हैं और यहाँ पे भी. Simplification at the end, till the end इसलिए किया करें because you know if this question would be given to you in MCQs, then it would be a problem to find out the right solution. ठीक है जी? This is your answer. Let us move to the next part. Okay, now look at this. This is x into natural log of x. Now you can see this natural log of x is in the radical, right? So ये radical के अंदर है, इसलिए 1 by 2 को आप start में नहीं लेकर आ सकते, never. Now here directly this is your first function and this one is your second function. Directly apply the derivative on both sides. How? By product rule, right? First function x as it is into derivative of this thing, you can see, plus second function as it is into derivative of this first which is x. Clear? अब derivative मेरा ख्याल है find करना you people should know. How would you find derivative of this natural log of x? Radical. Radical के अंदर कोई भी चीज़ होती है उसका derivative हमेशा हम, I have told you people so many times, like look at this. If this is given to you, what would be the derivative of this? It would be 1 divided by 2 into this into further derivative of the term which is inside. ऐसा ही है. Similarly over here it would be 1 divided by 2 into radical of this thing, whatever the term given to you is, into further derivative of the function which is inside, which is natural log of x over here. So the answer would be, अच्छा मज़े की बात ये natural log of x का derivative is the easiest. It is 1 over x. Simple, because further derivative of x would be 1. So the answer would be 1 over x. ठीक है जी? Let me explain it to you. इसका derivative क्या बना? इसको आप डायरेक्ट ये लिख लिया करें, ये यानी x as it is 2 radical of natural log of x, and what would be derivative of natural log of x? It would be 1 over x. So x and x cancelled, 1 divided by 2 radical of x, this one. ठीक है जी? Plus look at this, यही रह जाएगा because derivative of x would be 1. So now simplify it. This is your answer. Clear? Okay, now this part, and then we will be going to, yes, inshallah, next video. Okay, look at this. Hurry up. Natural log is outside the radical. If it is outside the radical, all you have to do is you have to bring the power over here and remaining things would be there. Clear? Now what? 1/2 being constant बाहर ही रहेगा. You will apply natural log derivative of this. What would that be? 1 divided by जो भी आपका फंक्शन है वो into d by dx of this whole function. Now we all can see what this function is. ये जो चीज़ मैंने अभी बताई, simply they have also explained it over here. Let me zoom it in. Can you see? I just explained it. How would you get to know, how would you find the derivative of this? We are doing the same thing from exercise 2.3 and this is now 2.6. What is it? क्या लगेगा यहाँ पे? Quotient rule. ये can you see? Denominator का square. In the numerator it would be denominator as it is into derivative of the numerator minus numerator as it is into derivative of the denominator. And what about this term? क्या बनेगा? 1 divided by 2. This thing would become, this would reciprocate, like it would be x square plus 1 in the numerator and x square minus 1 in the denominator. और यहाँ पे आपने इस पे quotient rule apply किया like this. Simply बिल्कुल वही steps हैं. You would just be simplifying it. You know, it's the derivatives. I think you people are cleared about it. So all you have to do is simplification like this, and this would be your final answer, right? Now I will be meeting you, inshallah people, in the next video with the rest of the 3 parts, 12, 13 and 14, which are very important.